Hello guys! Welcome to the first lesson of the course, Reddit Marketing Hero. In this chapter, you will learn about getting started with Reddit. In this lesson, we're going to talk about what is Reddit. So let's get started. Reddit is a platform where people can talk about different topics like what you see on discussion boards or forums. You may find discussion boards on the internet with different categories and topics, but if you're looking for relevant news, hot debates, or have fun rating posts, if they're relevant or not, then you can go for Reddit and sign up for a new account. It's been claimed to be the front page of the internet. The platform is a combination of social news, web content, forum, and social network platform where people can talk about specific topics that they're interested in. The platform has millions of communities that cover different topics. Any topic that you can think of, you can find it on Reddit. Reddit is a social news aggregation, web content rating, and a website discussion like a forum. People can post content with photos, text, videos that can be voted up or down by Reddit members. It is a message board where Reddit users can submit links to share. People help maintain the site free of spammers by letting people rate posts on Reddit. You'll get points for sharing content that are rated by other Reddit users. So if you post content that is not related to the community, or someone doesn't like it, you'll get a bad rating. Reddit has a content moderation system with its upvote or downvote binary. So anyone who doesn't want to see the content or comment, they can upvote it or downvote. Reddit can be a place to follow relevant news and a calendar of events. Sometimes it can be a place to spoil a game or a movie before you can even play it or watch it. Reddit is not like any social media platform where you can share photos of your activities, your selfies, and share them with your friends or family. Reddit users don't divulge their names on the platform. Reddit is a platform to share your opinions and maintain the anonymity of any user's identity. That is why people can say their opinion freely that can sometimes result in debate. The platform has over 1.5 billion active users, making it the number 6th most visited website in the United States. When it is your first time to see Reddit, you may be a bit confused with what you are seeing. This is how you will see Reddit when you don't have an account on the platform. You can see the home page when you go to reddit.com. On top, you'll be able to see what's trending. The front page shows you featured posts, trending communities, top broadcasts, videos, and some promoted posts. Now let's talk about some lingo of the platform. Like any other platforms, Reddit has a unique language. The members are called Redditors. Users tend to talk in abbreviations like OP. OP refers to the original poster, while TIL means Today I Learned, which is one of the most common abbreviations you can see on the platform. AMA means Ask Me Anything, which is mostly used by famous people or anyone who has done something of interest to have a dialogue with other Redditors. TL means Too Long, while DR means Didn't Read. Most of the time, these abbreviations are used at the end of long texts to criticize a long post, article, or comment. Now that you know what Reddit is, we can now proceed to the next topic. What are the benefits of Reddit? I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.